Pride of America is a beautiful ship, and it sails the beautiful Hawaiian Islands. You may be aware that Pride of America has Hawaiian itineraries, but do you know what the ship has in store? In this video, you're going to learn about the amazing food on board. And I'm going to tell you about some of the most awesome bars on Pride of America. Then we'll go through a few of the activities that you can enjoy. And I also have a couple tips to share. If you stick around, you can find out how to get your copy of our Pride of America Ship Guide, a digital download you can take with you on your cruise. Now let's start by talking about the food. Cagney's Steakhouse is an amazing specialty restaurant that you'll find on Pride of America. Go there and get a full service meal at their beautiful steakhouse. Enjoy a delicious ribeye, veal, full menu of delicious food, appetizers, desserts, great service in a relaxed setting. Cagney's Steakhouse. Definitely recommend that. If you're looking for something a little more entertaining, go to Teppanyaki. Teppanyaki is a Japanese restaurant where the chef prepares your meal right at the table. He chops it up, grills it up, and serves it right to you there on the spot. A lot of fun for groups, families. Teppanyaki, check that out. La Cucina is the Italian specialty restaurant on Pride of America, where they have amazing pasta prepared fresh for you. Or you can get something a little more exotic like osso buco. Delicious food in a great setting. Great service at La Cucina. Moderno Churrascaria is the Brazilian steakhouse, a very fun and innovative way to enjoy your meal. It's a Brazilian steakhouse with a large salad bar, 43 different items, and when it's time for the main course, a variety of meat is brought to your table and served up and carved tableside off of these skewers that they walk around with. Eat as much as you want. Enjoy your time at Moderno Churrascaria. If you like sushi, go to the sushi bar. Sushi bar has delicious Japanese food, including, of course, their a la carte sushi menu. The sushi chefs will prepare it up fresh on the spot for you at the sushi bar. Another Asian option is the East Meets West Asian restaurant. It is a complimentary venue where you can get wok fried food, noodles, soups, all kinds of Asian food in a relaxed setting, and it doesn't cost you anything extra. Cadillac Diner is another complimentary option where you can get burgers, wings, and shakes in a retro diner setting. So much delicious food on the ship. You're going to love it. If you're loving this video and you like this sort of content, like to see more, give us a thumbs up. Click down below to like this video. We really would appreciate it. Now let's talk about the bars. The ship has a great variety of bars on board, starting with Ocean Drive Bar. Ocean Drive is the outdoor bar overlooking the main pool. A great place to sit outside and enjoy the weather, enjoy the views, and sit there and have a nice cocktail. Key West Bar is another great option. The Key West Bar is right next to the pool, and it has a complimentary grill, so you can grab yourself a complimentary burger or hot dog or something like that and get yourself a great drink right there by the pool. The Gold Rush Saloon is a different kind of option, an indoor bar with a great theme. It's a rustic bar, Old West style, great old saloon setting for your beer, cocktail, wine, what have you. Sit back and relax at the Gold Rush Saloon. The Mardi Gras Lounge is a nightclub on the ship that you can go to and have a great time, enjoy the music, entertainment, maybe dance, and grab yourself a drink from the full-service bar. The Napa Wine Bar is a very relaxed and classy setting. You can sit down and have yourself a nice glass of Chablis or champagne, Chardonnay, red wine, whatever you like. They also have beer and cocktails, so everybody in your party is going to find something they like at the Napa Wine Bar. The Aloha Lanai Bar is a great outdoor bar. It's an aft bar, so you can enjoy the wake views at the back of the ship, have yourself a Mai Tai or other Hawaiian cocktail, grab a beer, have some wine, and just relax at the Aloha Lanai Bar. Now let's talk about the activities. The South Beach Pool is the main pool. It's the hub at the center of the ship with a lot of great activities going on. Great pool, hot tubs, live music, and there's even a nearby bar and grill. Mandurah Spa is a great place to go if you want to enjoy a nice massage, facial, manicure, pedicure. Great options at Mandurah Spa. They have a variety of massages to pick from, and you can't go wrong if you're looking to relax if you go to Mandurah Spa. The conservatory is another relaxing spot. It's a solarium where you can relax and enjoy the tropical setting. Great spot to hang out. If you're looking for a little more excitement, head to the video arcade. The video arcade has games for kids and for kids at heart. Speaking of the kids, there's also Splash Academy, Norwegian's classic kids club. Splash Academy has fun for them and gives you an opportunity to go off and have the freedom to do the things that they probably wouldn't enjoy so much. The Newbury Street Shops is a great spot on the ship. You can go and check out all the different boutique shops, grab a souvenir, get a new outfit, maybe some new jewelry. The Newbury Street Shops. That can be a fun activity. And now for a couple of tips. One tip is, if you're going to go on Pride of America, you're going to want to take full advantage of the scenery. Consider a balcony cabin. A balcony cabin is going to give you a view of the islands as you're sailing. As the day ends, you're going to get a great view of the sunset, and you might even see whales or other wildlife. A balcony cabin. Costs a little extra, but it might just be worth it on a Hawaiian cruise. Another tip, check out the second pool. The South Beach Pool is a great hub of activity, but if you want something more relaxing, go to the Oasis Pool. It's the quieter pool at the back of Deck 12, and it's a great spot to relax and enjoy amazing views. One more tip, be sure to download our Pride of America Ship Guide. It's our digital download that tells you what's on board, where you can find it, what costs extra, and we're going to even throw in our special bar crawl guide for the Pride of America. It'll help you explore the bars. You can do that and check that out with your friends. You can print up these downloads or take them along with you on your digital device like your cell phone. If you haven't done so already, be sure to subscribe. You can subscribe down below. It doesn't cost you anything. It's just a way to follow us so you don't miss out on our future videos and upcoming content, including our live shows. Our live shows appear on YouTube right along our other videos. You can keep track of those by joining our Facebook group. Facebook group is linked in the description down below. Thanks for watching.